Today's video is about driving fails, mistakes, how to not drive, and bad drivers. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. I turn now. Good luck to everybody else. He van without any signaling just decided to cut me off. The damage is a few scratches barely visible, as most of the contact was with his rear tire. I'm sure my horn's working. It must be invisible. He can't see me and can't hear the horn. Someone not paying attention to stop traffic ruins two other people's day.
Bad they didn't have an Abrams with them, he thought rightly. Because that T-62 could grind his small band of commandos into the dust.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. My cruise control was set to 5 over, with no one behind me for at least a mile. This idiot decides, let me slow down while forcing my way onto the highway because clearly I'm more important.
The fuck!
Subaru Outback almost hit the lane change BMW X3 on highway. From dashcam view, it's not that bad. From driver view, it's more close and scaring. Garbage truck was stopped on the side of the road, and the pickup truck wanted to turn into the alleyway. Without getting the garbage truck driver's attention, pickup driver blindly started turning right in front of the garbage truck into his blind spot, which resulted in this. Luckily, damage was minimal for both. Taxi driver doing a hit and run on my Honda Civic. Pulling out into 3 lanes of moving traffic and stopping. Big time bonehead move.
That ain't too bad. How big a queue? Where are the fuck?
Is it really,
Then
dude?
go,
Yes?
you fucking idiot! Jesus Christ. Goddamn Dodge drivers.
Always blown away by how many people don't recognize how dangerous this is. And the bonus video. What are your thoughts? Write in the comments. Good thing the train was made up of only 2 engines and was able to stop quickly. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.